We support customers all over Scotland. It's obviously we've got 5.5 million people as a population, but it's a big landmass. So we have customers that go as far as even out with just Scotland, we're in the Shetlands, all the way down to the borders. Our point of view is always the same. When you work with Solid Solutions, it shouldn't matter in terms of location where you're based, in terms of the support that you receive. Our point of view is always the same level of support across all customers in Scotland and within the region that is looked after by us and the team. We obviously have a good understanding of the Scottish landscape and how businesses standardly would approach things, but it allows us to kind of build that bridge between us where we understand our products and services really, really well and what the products can do, but they understand their business better than we ever will. So we build that bridge. It gives us an opportunity to find ways to make improvements for the customer, engage with our staff.
Our customers see us more than just a software provider. We are there to assist you with your solutions. So whether that be in early stages in getting you up and running with training and support, or whether that's been expanding with PLM solutions or 3D printing, we have a host of different things that we can do with you.
We offer training in person and we offer training virtually as well. So we've got ourselves our training room, our Scotland office, where we run all of our SOLIDWORKS training courses. We also offer our training courses virtually as well, where our customers can remote onto our SOLIDWORKS machines and make use of the software. And not only that, we also run courses at our customers' offices as well, where we can run more bespoke customer specific courses.
I got the opportunity to work and support many projects across Scotland. As well, Scotland is home to a lot of engineering industry, which allow me to share knowledge and learn something new as well in the process.
At the end of the day, we're there as a support mechanism. We're there to make their life easier, and that's the approach that we always want to take.